Hello to all my friends out there, and so I'm excited because I found a new thumbprint cookie recipe in one of those cookbooks I got for a dime. So, this Sunday I'm going to be taking a little trip over there to check out the books again when they're on half price. And so this worked out good for me because I can use the last bits of I had some margarine rolling around in the refrigerator, half used up, and a tiny bit of grape jam. And so what was good, this is an old-fashioned recipe. Let's see. Aunt Elba's jelly-filled cookies. Okay, this has to be good because of somebody's aunt, And I like this one better than my last recipe because it has very few ingredients. And so I have been thinking one of the best ways to make sure you don't run out of food is to make it all homemade. So I don't really need much food this month, but one thing I am going to be buying is vanilla because I lent mine to my neighbor. Flour, I will get 10 pounds, sugar, 5 pounds, milk. I will probably stockpile some of these and some evaporated milk. Yeast for making bread, and I will probably get some cornmeal because I will start making my own muffins and my own biscuits and my own bread from scratch. And then I will stockpile a shortening or two. If you don't have margarine, I'm pretty sure you could use shortening in these cookies. Okay, and so yesterday I made tea, which is good, but if you have kids and you're not wild about them drinking tea, that is a good reason to stock this lemon juice. So I have 4 cups water, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup lemon. Also, I'm going to be stockpiling lime. And so when this is cold, this is going to be a good little drink. It's very important, especially in summertime, that everybody is enjoying life, including kids. Oh, and one of the followers mentioned she was teaching Vacation Bible School. And when I was a kid, my friend's mother took us and we had a lot of fun. We really did. I just happened to think about that when she mentioned that. So, I'm sure you get a lot of blessings for Vacation Bible School. So, stockpile lemon juice. I always have jam in my stockpile. And another thing is I bought the eggs at Dollar Tree. So, okay, you guys, I will be back, and the next thing I will be making is some turkey stew. And God bless you all.